Ndongoi ya kyama kya Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka niwaweta kana ivinda yumu muno kwake na kwa nthi ya Kenya kumana na kikw'u kya ula wa minista munene Mututia Raila Odinga. Kalonzo niwaweta ta waasya munyanyae wa ivinda yiasa na ula methiitwe imwe maunduni make uteti Aneena itina wa kuvika Kenya aumite London UK itina wa kumgamya ndambuka yake ya mithenya 10 nthi isu.
I received news about the passing on of our brother Raila Odinga. I just arrived at Heathrow, London Heathrow, so I've literally made a turnaround. I'd only one event and then took off. And I just want to take this opportunity to mourn with all of us, particularly Mama Ida, Winnie, Rosemary, and Junior, the entire family of Odingas, Dr. Oburu, and all fellow Kenyans. The reality that our brother is not here with us has really not sunk. And so I will have time to speak. I'm happy I was able to manage to at least get back to be able to bid him farewell in person.